this is Sifu Cuddle, and for this video, we're working with the nunchucks. We're gonna do another pass, so make sure you've already learned how to do the over-the-shoulder pass because this one is very similar. So if you haven't seen it, check out the rest of the nunchuck playlist. You'll find it there, and if you know how to do it, keep watching. So, let's do it. Now this is actually another over-the-shoulder pass. However, we're gonna take, similar to our ready position, the return position, we're gonna be doing that from behind. So what you wanna do with this one is, we're gonna bring it up over the top, and then we're gonna close the arm over it. This one has to go by feeling. This is a real tough one because you're gonna find it's gonna come up here, and then it gets really laggy from there. So you have to try to get to close it at the right time. I don't want it to go all the way up. It still has room to travel up into my armpit here. I try to catch it with the chicken wing a little bit sooner, okay? So work on just catching this with your own arm. Now most times we catch too late, so we end up, flapping down here and the nunchuck is already passed. So you have to work on that timing where it'll roll in, you catch, okay? Now, once you get comfortable with this one, it's a very simple maneuver. We're gonna let go like we're confused and asking a question, okay? So as we bring it up and over here, we're just gonna let go. And notice the path, it swings right behind me here, okay? So again, over, catch. Now, where's the transfer? It's gonna be behind the back here. Now, you're not gonna do it like that slow. It's almost the same hand position as when we go over the shoulder. So what you're gonna do is grab here, let go, and then catch it in this hand. This one just takes a lot of practice to get comfortable with it and the timing of it. So the more you work on it, the better you will get. So again, once I come up here, let go, I catch, okay? And then again, over here, let go, and catch. Again, over, let go, catch. Now, I tend to do a little bit more of a flick. So once I release here, I kind of push out with the webbing of my hand. That gives it a little more oomph, a little more speed, so I can get it to the other hand. And I don't have to just leave it up to chance and gravity. I can kind of control where this is going if I give it a little flick right here, okay? But this is a nice one. It's a pretty fancy one. If people know what you're doing, if it's in between a bunch of combinations, then sometimes it gets unnoticed and it looks just the same as if you're doing a similar pass. But if you start off with something like this, it makes it kind of a neat way of getting to the other side. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. And if you haven't checked it out already, go over and check out my Patreon channel. I have lots of different tutorials and in-depth training on there. You can check it out. I'll leave a link at the end of the video. And if you have any questions or requests, just leave a comment down below, or you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Tumblr, and Twitter. I'm all over the place, okay? Keep training. Till next time, this is Sifu Cuddle.
Bam! Fist with a forward.